Hey besties! Today we are looking at another nail dust collector. Airsee reached out and wanted me to test this out, and I figured it was a perfect opportunity because I just did the unboxing for the MelodySusie one. So this is the GD3 by Airsee. It is available on Amazon for $39.99, and that is 33% off right now. So it does say that originally it would be $59.99. There is their website right there on the box. And on Amazon, they also do have a 2-pack filter replacement for $9.99 as well. Opening up the box, you have your basic information pamphlet. Goes over just the buttons, kind of the functions, any frequently asked questions there may be, and then the warranty information. We have your standard power cord. And then, of course, we got the nail dust collector. And I tell you what, when I pulled this out and seen how compact this is, look at that. It's like the size of my hand. Look at how little. I love how compact this is. I thought the MelodySusie one was compact. This one's definitely got it beat. So you do have a push power button, and then you have the 3 touch sensor buttons for your speed. On the side, we have a little spot to pull out your filter. And then you have your spots where it will be pushing the air back out. So it sucks in through the top and recycles it back out through the sides right there. Look at how compact it is. I just love this. So we'll give you a little listen in action.
Okay, can I now?
So as you could see, it had a lot of the same functions that the MelodySusie one does, as in like when you pull out the filter, it auto shuts off, and when you push it back in, it will auto start back up again. It has amazing suction. Did you see that? I bet you it will do the glitter test. I am actually going to test it out and report back to you guys. I will definitely have a pinned comment because I don't know if I'll have time before you are actually watching this from when I'm doing the voiceover. I am just gonna lay down some acrylic really quick so we can test this dust collector out. I'm using my Yastard. I believe this was number 10 or 12. I can't even remember, and I just looked at it, you guys. I'm pretty sure it's a number 10. I'm almost positive. I will leave that listed down below, as well as my discount codes for that. And then I am using Into the Dark by Criminal Claws. This acrylic is so freaking pretty. And don't come for me about my acrylic application, okay? I am not a pro at this. I enjoy doing it. I definitely need to practice more, but I used to do it a lot more when I was like in my teen years, you know, with the little kiss kits and stuff. It's crazy to think like what we have available now to us compared to like even just a couple years ago. It really truly is insane the amount of products that even just us as DIY girls have the ability to get. I mean, I know back in the day, if you wanted like the good stuff, you had to have a license or know somebody with a license who could go get you the good stuff. You could get some semi-decent stuff from like Sally's, but let's just be real. It was nothing compared to what you could get at like places like Cosmoprof and stuff. I don't know if you guys got those where you're at, but it is insane. And it's just kind of a beautiful thing because look at how much the industry has grown since all of us DIY girls have been able to get our hands on this stuff and start sharing like what we do. I feel like it's just really blown up and it is so beautiful because I really just enjoy doing nails. I love the creativity in it. I love being able to watch it all come together, especially when you're doing something like character nail art. There is something so satisfying about watching it come together. That or like aquarium nails is one of my top favorites. And like making charms and sculpting stuff like out of the 3D clay. Oh, love doing that. I just love a challenge. I really do. I'm going to be starting up the content creators pick my nail designs again. And one of the first videos that will be coming out when I do start it back up is honestly a little intimidating. I knew she was going to pick something crazy just based on like what she does, but yeah, it'll be the most that I've ever done on one set. So, I'm excited though. Look at that. Isn't that so freaking pretty? Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with the MelodySusie little cordless drill that I got recently. If you have not watched that video, you should definitely check it out. This thing is awesome. And I know Jonna Debris Nails was asking if I noticed any skipping when I was using this. If you are watching this, I will say when I was doing this, I did notice it skipping when I was at like 8,000 RPMs, but it's when I didn't have a good grip on the nail. When I was holding the nail really good and anchoring my hand down like with my pinky, it wouldn't skip. But when I wasn't anchored good and I was just trying to do like go all willy-nilly at 8,000 RPMs, I was getting skipping. So just wanted to say that. But I will let you guys watch this part really quick. I have rambled on for quite a while now. And I will pop back in here in a couple. Okay, are you ready for that top coat reveal? I don't think you're ready for it. Oh, look at how pretty! Oh my goodness, I love this acrylic. I did cap it off with clear acrylic off camera. I do just want to say that. I did not want to file into that beautiful glitter that is in there. There's like mylar flakes in it and stuff. Oh, it is so freaking pretty. Look at that. My goodness. Okay, so look at all that dust that this thing accumulated. Look at all that. That is crazy. And there was no dust around it. I am actually blown away with this dust collector. I am shook. I really want to do the glitter test now and tip it on its side and see if any spills. I love how compact it is. It performed well. It's not overly loud. It's nice and compact. My area is dust free. Like, there is no dust surrounding the area, and I didn't clean it up. I dusted off the surface of the dust collector, but that was it. So I am very, very impressed. So a huge thank you to Airsee for sending this over so I could unbox it. I will be sure to leave that listed down below for you guys. So if you are looking for a very price-friendly dust collector, I would definitely recommend this. $40. I mean, amazing job. Incredible. But that is it for this one, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!